There are many circumstances that cause death. It is possible to die from an attack of epilepsy after becoming bedridden with a chronic terminal disease,
from food poisoning, from falling from a precipice, or from being attacked with weapons. It is uncertain when death will come.
Life is as precarious as a candle fluttering in the wind, or a tiny bird perched on the branch of a tree. There is no telling if, having gone to sleep at night, you will wake up the following morning. You are alive now, yet it is uncertain whether or not you will still be alive in a year's time. Having left this life behind, you will have to go on to yet another realm of existence. So pray, O Guru Rinpoche, from this day forward turn my mind towards the practice, care for me and see that my practice does not stray onto the wrong paths.